I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. You have your account and any API key or login ready, plus 1 or 2 focused research questions. Once done, open Scholar AI and sign in. Make sure the extension is enabled if you installed one. Next, paste or type a concise query that includes scope and timeframe. You want specificity because precise prompts yield cleaner results. Finally, choose output type, summary, references, or annotated notes, and press search to start pulling results. Now that initial results appear, refine them, apply date and source filters, and sort by relevance or citations. You should scan titles quickly and open 2 to 4 promising entries. Once open, ask Scholar AI to extract methods, datasets, and key findings. Make sure to request citations formatted how you need them. If results are noisy, refine the query with Boolean operators or add quotes for exact phrases. Iterate until the summaries and citations match your research depth and clarity needs. To finish, compile the summaries and export notes plus citation formats such as bibtx or RIS for your reference manager. You should assemble a short annotated bibliography and verify 1 or 2 primary sources to confirm critical claims. Once compiled, save files locally or to cloud storage and label them clearly. If Scholar AI returns irrelevant or missing citations, clear your cache, sign out and back in, or re-authenticate the API key. Alternatively, tighten your prompt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.